Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is hair update day. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a hair update because I had my hair relaxed yesterday and there were like a couple of new things I wanted to update you guys on. In case you're following my hair journey, I've been trying to grow my hair for like a year now or so, and I had my hair relaxed yesterday after about almost 12 weeks. It was just a few days short of 12 weeks. I was going to leave it to 12 weeks at the dot, but my hair was super matted and tangled and I had tons of new growth, so I had to get it done that yesterday. Plus, I'll be talking about my salon experience. I have a little bit of a mini vlog or clips from my salon visit yesterday, so I'll be showing you that in that video, and also be giving you some thoughts and a little bit of a rant about our salons here in Nigeria. If you're new here, my name is Sky and I make minimalist style, beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube and on Instagram, my blog and everywhere else. So in case that's the kind of thing you might be interested in, maybe consider hanging out and subscribing, and let's get into the video. So two things: I've changed my relaxer. I was using Mega Growth before, and as you guys know, if you've watched my other videos, I was struggling with under processing, and the last time I relaxed my hair 3 months ago, I tried Motions. I haven't used that brand before, but I went to the market and kind of looked at what was available and I got Motions just, you know, on a whim, and it worked out absolutely well. I wanted to give you another try before I came here to talk about it. So this is the relaxer that I use. It's the Motions relaxer with tons of silk protein. It has a lot of silk oily protein stuff, so it kind of leaves my hair really soft and silky. I had the same experience the first time I used it, and I also have the experience yesterday when I used it for the second time. So I was absolutely correct. My previous relaxer, the Mega Growth one, wasn't good for my hair. I don't know if it works for you. That's great, and I think it's a very popular brand here, so it works for many people, but for me it's just not for my hair. I've tried it over the years and it just didn't work, so now I know that that brand is not for me. I have a few of the other products that are good for my hair, but the relaxer is not for me at all. These Motions that I'm using now, I think I'll keep using for a while because it gives me great results. In my last hair update, I also said I was going to go and get the relaxer done in a salon just to see if I'll get better results. So I went to a salon close to me. I will leave the details of the salon in the description bar and here on the screen too, so please check it out. So I went to get it done there. I'd gone before to ask about the relaxer process and price and all that, and I saw that the price is kind of fair. It's just 3K, and the lady then seemed to know what she was talking about, and I see that they've worked with lots of brands, and so I just figured, you know, they're like a good bet for me to try out. But unfortunately, I didn't have a great experience relaxing my hair there, even though the lady who did my hair kind of knew what she was doing. But midway, I saw that she was applying way too much relaxer, spilling onto my former relaxed hair, like my ends, and I had to complain at some point before they had to clean it. It was just a little bit too messy for me. I have better control when I do it myself than in that salon, so that was a minus for me. Also, they kind of left my hair a little bit over processed. By the time I told the lady I wanted to get the thing washed off, she was like, oh, keep it on for a while and all that. Anyway, she washed it out, but I saw that my hair is kind of over processed. Maybe it's just me, but I prefer my hair a little bit less processed than it is right now. Again, I'll give you a close-up shot so you can see what I'm talking about. But overall, the entire experience wasn't 100%. It wasn't the worst I've experienced, I'm not gonna lie, but it was not 100% because of the over-processing and because of too much application of the relaxer, to be honest. I prefer my hair a little less fried, basically. I also got a little bit of a trim. I trimmed my hair the last time I relaxed and also this time, so I've had 2 trims basically. I did mention before in my last update that I wanted to trim off my colored ends, and as you can see, I don't have a lot of the ends. I don't have a lot of the color anymore on my hair, so that's kind of more or less done. So I'm trimming the hair and it looks decent. I don't have a lot of, you know, hair loss. I was very good with my moisturizing, and I also did a protein treatment at some point. The Afro G2 step, I did that at some point in my last cycle, so I think that kind of helped me, you know, retain the bulk of my hair, so I didn't lose too much hair in the process. I'll show you guys all of this protein maintenance you know, process as time goes on. I'm just trying to get a hang of it myself, so I'm not 100% confident on what I'm even doing. But anyway, that's the short update, and this is what my hair looks like now. At this time, I'm not exactly worried about length per se. I'm just trying to get a hang of my hair, studying my hair, knowing what my hair likes, trying out a little bit of a new product. Like I'm trying out one or two things here and there, which I'll share in due course. But for now, I think my hair is in decent condition and it's growing a little bit. And now that I have my colored ends almost out, I feel like, you know, I can now start up a proper healthy hair journey. So that's what where I'm at with my hair right now. But I don't know what country you live in, but here in Nigeria, getting a salon that knows how to handle your hair properly, how to handle your hair gently, how to relax and do all of these treatments is so difficult, you guys. I'm sure there are a few salons, and maybe I'll take it upon myself to try and find salons around me and maybe give you guys an update. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested in me doing some sort of a salon tour to see which salons know what they're doing, because it's a huge problem. In my opinion and in my experience, if you really want your hair to thrive in Nigeria, you might have to do it yourself, because many of these salon stylists, sorry to say, no offense to anyone, but many of these stylists, they're not really good with natural hair. Like, I mean, your actual hair. They are great with styling, they are great with braids, wigs, weaves and all that, but your actual hair, they're not very gentle with it, they're not very patient, so you might have to do your hair yourself. I also see that many people who have grown their hair here on YouTube have had to do it themselves. So this might not be a Nigerian problem per se, but here in Nigeria specifically, if you're a Nigerian person, you live in Nigeria, you know that salons are not exactly, like our salons here are not exactly very, good when it comes to handling your actual hair. For example, when they're washing your hair, they can just rub your hair so vigorously with a towel. I had to tell the lady yesterday, oh, don't rub my edges, don't comb. She was going to comb my hair during the relaxer process. She was like, I saw her bringing a comb. I was like, come on, don't comb my hair. When it came to trimming, she got her scissors out of a bunch of other hair tools that she had, and I saw that the scissors wasn't very sharp. And if you know anything about cutting hair, you know that your shears need to be really sharp and neat. In fact, ideally you should have a different kind of scissors for cutting your hair, like the actual hair shears that you should use, because the other kinds of scissors are not built to cut your hair. They're going to cause more damage basically. So luckily I went with my own scissors and I had her use my own scissors, because my own scissors is new and sharp and is specifically for hair. This salon in particular had quite a decent amount of good hair products. They had brands from the low end to the high end, which is great, I think. So in case anybody wanted to use specific brands, like higher end brands, they had Afro-G, for example. So maybe I think I'll go there for my protein treatment the next time, just to see if they know how to do it. But for now, I feel like decent salon, but not so great when it comes to relaxing, which is just a pain, because even though I know how to do my own hair and I prefer to do my own hair for the most part, sometimes you just want to go to a salon and have the professionals do your hair. But in Nigeria, unfortunately, our stylists are not, I don't know what it is, but for some reason they ignore all the instructions, like in the relaxer, on the relaxer box. They ignore everything. Like there's no way in the manual where they say to comb through your hair when you have relaxer on it for some reason, but somehow they do it. There's no way they say to clean your hair so vigorously with a towel, yet they do it. I don't know why our Nigerian stylists are like this, but I feel like it's not every time you have to do your hair yourself, and not everybody can do their hair themselves. I feel like if you want to grow your hair or you want to have healthy hair, you should be able to find a professional who will help you through the journey. So I'll be doing that little tour. Let me know if you're interested in the comment section. If you live in Nigeria or in Lagos specifically, let me know. I appreciate the feedback. So that's my little hair update, you guys. Nothing crazy, but yeah, that's my hair. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe in case you haven't. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.